I'm sending. You guys ready to send?
I think so.
We're ready to send.
Okay. Okay, it's random. It just this just happened. My name's Goldie. Welcome to leave. Nobody's leaving. Welcome to Live at the BeeHive, and it's a road trip. I'm out doing my thing, and I run into two human beings that coincidentally as well are on a road trip. Those human beings, bang, right there in the sight of this. I'm gonna move just. Oh yeah. Look at this iconic spot right now. I will speak to you about where we are at in a moment. Here, you guys want to kind of show your background real quick? Put your arms in like a display like, keep your forests green, people. So here's the thing. These two are on a road trip. I'm on a road trip. Coincidentally, we find each other on the road. Bam. Doing these roadside concerts. What do you know? Here we are. Why not? Let's go. So I introduce you to my humans that are in shot right now. This is Stephanie and Matt. Matt, Stephanie, whoever wants to take it away for a quick moment. Who are you, and how the hell did you get here?
Well, I'm Stephanie, and that's Matt, and
My name is Matt.
my mom brought me here. Not today.
No, we drove ourselves.
Yep.
Anyway, we're going to start with one of Steph's songs to kick things off for you guys.
Well, yeah, no. Before you head off, man, I know you look so ready to go. Before we go, do you guys have a name for your band yet? Have you gotten that far? Now, just a quick story. Steph and Matt kind of met along the way, doing their thing, music here, music there. They're at open mics. All of a sudden, wha-pow, they're throwing down as a duet. Do you guys have like a name of your get-up yet?
We don't.
Just kind of you're here and it's now.
Screen.
All right, well, take it away because that's what we're here to do. So enjoy.
All right.
Okay. Let your flowing around me. Touch your senses too.
gonna do another original song. This one's one of mine. This one's called "Every Day I Float Away."
Such freedom in the sunset in the southwest. I never have to keep on worrying about all the crazy things I've been planning out. I could do it all if I was next to you. I really hate to be leaving fate, but now everything's so clear. I look around and think it's still good to be true. What do you see when you look at me? Do you picture what could be? I don't wanna use you. I was told to refuse you. I won't mind anyone anymore but you. Just to feel your love all around me, astound me and surround me. In the dark I was a little scared. I was nervous, shaking everywhere. Take your time and smile, waking in the sun. Wherever we go, I already know that I'll never find what I'm looking for, but keep me around and settle me down as long as you've got the patience. Take it from me, I already see you're dreaming about the freedom like I do. Down and around, running the south, how could I know that I've already found? Running the west, I've already met someone to make me go home. Maybe you could do better now, but when the chips are down, I'll be found in your corner. It's easy to see that you're sticking with me, just to see what could be, cause you wanna believe. I'll show myself to the door if you show you don't see your story with me anymore. All my dreams move so slow. Pour myself in the books on my shelf and I'm for a poem, but they never wrote on. So I guess I'm gonna show up. Just what a girl like you could make me see. Oh, 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 oh,
called Every Day I Float Away.
I'd say that was pretty much perfect for what we're about to do after this.
Gonna go float away. Yeah,
I'd be floating away all day.
Yeah, we're going to do a little river float after this. Okay. Awesome. I'd say let's just keep it going. It's sounding great. Your house.
We got another original tune for you guys.
This one's called The Change.
Curtain closes on another chapter. Despite the pain, I can still hear the laughter. Lifetimes that lived out their songs that they sang. Crystals and sage help assist with the change. When did this all become okay? Though I've been trying for years to find a better way. This time I know that nothing else left to hold. It's time to just let go. It's time to just let go. It's better not to be alone. Future goes like a lion in a cage. The injustice, the cries of rage. I can no longer be locked in this misery of my making. And remember, my own freedom is mine for the taking. So when you forget that you are loved, and you're filled with regret, my love, turn inward to great mystery. That's where your heart is truly free. When did this all become okay? Though I've been dying for years to find a better way. This time I know that nothing else left to hold. It's time to just let go. It's time to just let go. It's better not to be alone. It's time to just let go, let go.
What you guys don't know is that a moment ago during their song, like a group of mountain bikers showed up and were like, dude, they're shredding gnar on the mountain. This is so Boise.
Yeah, the last one I was distracted because that van pulled up. And I thought they were going to get out and like be loud and stuff.
The locals are stoked right now. They're like, dude,
V-dub,
Mondays
the
are
V-dub
sick.
bus.
We got V-dub buzzes beeping at us and stuff.
It's good stuff. This is good. What road? Do you know the road that we're on? Is this old highway old? It seems like every road around here, if it's not an interstate, it's like called old highway old number. It is what it is. This is sweet. I was just giving that pan shot that Phil was hoping to get. Unfortunately, his camera didn't get a chance. So check this out. Look at this. This is where we're at Sheboygan. Not Sheboygan, the place that you call Sheboygan, but it makes me say the word Sheboygan. And then check this out. Look, that's Phil right there. You remember Phil from the road trip down in Tennessee? Yeah, that's still him. He hasn't left my van yet. Still here. But that's the sick. Look at that downstream. This place is huge. All right, ladies and gents. Here we are, still live at the BeeHive. Stephanie and Matt at the helm. Three songs down. Where are we headed?
We're going to do one more song for you guys.
Send it.
The song is called Fare Thee Well.
I'd fly the river to the one I love.
Fare thee well, my honey, fare thee well.
I had a man, he was long and tall, moved his body like a cannonball. A bird flying high above. Life ain't worth living without the one you love.
Fare thee well,
my honey, fare thee well. Fare thee well, my honey, fare thee well.
Thank you guys for hanging out with us.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Idaho.
That's been another edition of Live at the BeeHive. Short, quick, sweet. We're in Boise, Idaho. Who knows where we'll be next? But thanks for being here with us on this one. My name's Goldie. You're on Live at the BeeHive, and we are out.